Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a look at a product that promises to make your kitchen a powerhouse, the WantJoin 1800W Smoothie Blender. If you're in the market for a high-performance blender, especially for smoothies, ice crushing, and frozen drinks, this one may have caught your eye. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The WantJoin 1800W blender stands out with its impressive 2.5 horsepower motor, which is capable of reaching speeds up to 30,000 RPM. This isn't just another kitchen appliance. This is a commercial-grade blender designed for serious blending. The blender's hardened 304 stainless steel 6-blade assembly ensures that whether you're blending tough ingredients like ice or fibrous carrots, it can handle it with ease. The motor and blade combination aims to crush ice and blend even the hardest ingredients in seconds, making it ideal for those looking for power and precision in their kitchen. One of the most appealing aspects of this blender is its large 68-aughts jar capacity, which can churn out up to 8 8/8-aughts servings at once. This is a game changer for anyone with a busy kitchen, whether you're whipping up smoothies for a large family or making a big batch of frozen drinks for a party. If you've ever had to stop midway through blending to add more ingredients or change containers, you'll appreciate this spacious design. But this isn't just a blender for smoothies. The WantJoin 1800W blender is designed with versatility in mind. With its mechanical dial that offers a range of 1 to 5 minutes of blending time and 15 speed settings, you can prepare everything from smoothies to soups, ice cream, milkshakes, and even nut butter or salsa sauce. And when you're done blending, the pulse button makes it easy to clean the blender, ensuring it's ready for the next task without wasting time. The blender's copper motor is another key feature that sets it apart. Copper motors are known for their durability, and in this case, it promises long-lasting performance that can withstand high-frequency use in a commercial setting. This adds an extra layer of confidence for those considering it for both home and business use, as fewer repairs or replacements are likely needed. Now let's talk about the user experience. Setting up the WantJoin blender was straightforward. The base is sturdy, and the container locks into place easily. The mechanical dial and timer are intuitive, and the speed settings are flexible enough for a range of blending tasks. Whether you're making a quick smoothie or preparing a more complicated recipe, the controls are simple to navigate. The large capacity was especially useful when preparing multiple servings at once, and the blending was smooth and efficient. However, there were moments where I did feel the blender was a bit louder than expected, especially when crushing ice at full speed. It's something to consider if you're sensitive to noise in your kitchen. In terms of performance, this blender truly shines with its power. It crushed ice with ease, blending smoothies to a perfectly smooth consistency. Even tough vegetables like carrots were processed quickly and efficiently, which is a huge plus for any trying to get more fruits and veggies into their diet. The versatility also comes into play here. Whether I was making a smoothie, a creamy milkshake, or a hot soup, the blender delivered consistent, high-quality results. However, the size of the blender could be a little overkill for those who only need it for single servings, and it takes up more space on the countertop than a smaller blender might. When it comes to the pros, the WantJoin 1800W blender has a lot going for it. First off, its powerful motor is a standout feature. This thing can handle just about anything you throw at it. The large 68-aughts capacity means you can prepare big batches of drinks or soups in one go, saving you time. The copper motor is built for durability, which gives it long-term potential, especially for businesses. The versatility of the blender, with 15 speed settings and multiple blending functions, makes it more than just a smoothie maker. Plus, the self-cleaning feature is a time saver, and the 10-year warranty adds an extra layer of peace of mind. On the flip side, there are a few cons to consider. As I mentioned earlier, the blender can be quite loud, especially when running at high speeds, which might be off-putting for some users. The large size might also be a drawback if you have a small kitchen or only need a blender for smaller tasks. Another downside is that the motor base is relatively heavy. which could make it a bit cumbersome to move around. While the 68 capacity is fantastic for large batches, it could be excessive for people who mostly blend single servings. Lastly, while the blender is well built, its size and power might not justify the price if you're only using it occasionally for light tasks. When it comes to value for money, this blender is an investment. At its price point, it offers a lot of power and features that can be used in both home and commercial settings. Comparing it to similar high-power blenders on the market, such as those from brands like Vitamix or Blendtec, it offers a competitive option, especially considering its 10-year warranty and durable construction. However, if you're just looking for a blender for occasional use or smaller batches, you might find other models that are better suited to your needs at a lower price. If you're comparing the WantJoin 1800W blender to other blenders, the main difference comes down to power and versatility. While blenders like the Vitamix 5200 or Blendtec Total Blender offer similar performance, the WantJoin model offers a larger capacity at a lower price point. However, brands like Vitamix are often praised for their quieter motors and superior customer support, so it's a trade-off between power, price, and noise levels. As for build quality, the WantJoin blender feels solid and durable. The copper motor is a standout feature that ensures longevity, and the hardened stainless steel blades can handle tough ingredients with ease. The BPA-Free container is also a nice touch, ensuring that your blends are free from harmful chemicals. Based on my experience and the materials used, this blender seems like it will last. But of course, long-term performance is something only time will tell. Regarding customer support, I haven't had to contact WantJoin's service team yet, but the brand does offer one-on-one customer service and a 10-year warranty, which should provide reassurance for anyone with concerns about the blender's longevity. Reviews from other users suggest that their customer service team is responsive, which is always a good sign. In conclusion, the WantJoin 1800W Smoothie blender is a powerhouse that delivers on its promises of power, versatility, and durability. It's a great choice for larger families, those who entertain often, or anyone running a small beverage business. While the noise level and large size may not be for everyone, the blender's overall performance, large capacity, and long-term warranty make it a solid choice for those who need a reliable, high-performance blender. If you're looking for a commercial-grade blender at a competitive price, this one's worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts on the WantJoin 1800W Smoothie blender, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more in-depth reviews. And remember, whether you're blending smoothies or crushing ice, we've got the reviews inside for you. Till next time!